நாம் எங்கே வந்திருக்கோம் அப்படின்னா ஒரு ஆர்டிஸ்ட்டுக்கெலாம் ஒரு அவார்டு ஃபங்க்ஷன் அண்ட் சர்டிஃபிகேட் அண்ட் ஆர்டிஸ்டோட லைவ் பெயிண்டிங் இது எல்லாத்தையும் நாம் பார்க்க போகிறோம். வாங்க பார்க்கலாம். வந்து போய் சொல்லி தான் அந்த என்ஜாய் பண்ணிட்டு போகிறாங்க.
Hi, this is hi. Hello, my name is Shivani and I do different media. Dimples ka. Where does this
Indian Art Promoter is holding its Hyderabad edition of Kala Spandan Art Fair from at Kalinga Cultural Center, MIA Colony, Banjara Hills, Hyderabad. The fair was inaugurated by South Indian actress Brinda Rajeshwari, Shreya Miss India, Miss Talented title winner, swimming and triathlon national champion, badminton state runner-up, eminent artist G.Y. Giri and celebrity artist Ramji Sharma on Friday. The fair is showcasing a variety of thousands of artworks in all mediums ranging from figurative to abstract paintings.
I really welcome them from my bottom of my heart, and organizer who has conducted this event, I really congratulate and thank him for
Srinivas, I'm a painting artist and my artwork is entire mythological based. So you can see all the mythological series, all the Puranas and based on the sloka. One of my favorite work, so it's actually shell. So on the shell it's a miniature art. So it's a customized one for lockers. I have made it for the lockers to keep in the jewelry boxes and all. So this is a kind of it's a miniature art. I have a lot of so if you see this is a vintage art. So we recreate the 20s and 90s style together. So she's wearing a saree and doing a DJ. So like this entire thing is a nice one. Thank you very much.
patches in a book. If you come closer. So this is a part of calendars. We have on 12-month calendar which each different patterns. This took almost 3 to 4 days to design the patterns. We also have minute mandala art. These frames are totally made on wooden board with all of the detailings and the paintings and everything. Not easy for you. We also have the printing. This is totally made of paper strips, and this is very minute art which took around 5 days to work on this. It's quite expensive. It's a difficult art. Please visit us as Kalas Pandan. Stall number 27. Very happy to be part of this stall. It's going great. The crowd is also very nice.
मेरा नाम दिया नश्कर, मैं कलकत्ता से आई हूँ। मेरा फर्स्ट टाइम इतना दूर आर्ट एग्जीबिशन, तो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, बहुत सुंदर है।
हेलो नमस्ते, मेरा नाम अनुराधा गायन है। मैं यहाँ पर हैदराबाद आर्ट फेयर में आई हुई हूँ। तो हम लोग सोचे बहुत अच्छा यहाँ पर बड़े बड़े आर्टिस्ट भी आए हुए हैं। तो मैं तो वॉश का काम करती हूँ, ये सारे मेरे वॉश के काम है। शकुन कलम, तो ये बहुत फ्यू लोग ही जानते हैं इस टेक्निक को, ज़्यादा लोग जानते नहीं हैं। लेकिन मुझे यहाँ के बहुत फ्रेंड सर्कल भी मिले, बहुत रिस्पॉन्स अच्छा मिला। थैंक यू।
हेलो, मेरा नाम मिशेल गायन है और मैंने एक वॉश पेंटिंग दिया है। तो अच्छा लग रहा है यहाँ पे स्टॉल देके, सबसे मिलके। हेलो, शैरन, मैं साइकेडेलिक्स करती हूँ एंड यहाँ पर बहुत अच्छा लगा बिकॉज बहुत सारे लोगों से मिलना हुआ, बहुत सारे टेक्निक्स देखे और बहुत एक्सपेक्टेशन भी मिला, सो इट वाज नाइस।
I'm an artist by passion and by profession. So this is our stall. I am putting my work along with my friend Madhuri.
Yeah, I'm also an artist. I've been doing art since my childhood, and for past 10 years I've been exhibiting my art. I usually participate in shows. Yeah, this is my
Those are my signature style, which I do with nature and minute detailing, intricate work. I do.
Okay.
And we are very happy to be part of Kalaspandan Art Fair.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah, we had a nice time in Kalaspandan Art Fair. It was for 3 days, very hectic, lot of crowd. It's good. Let's
My street is technique painting. I composed this myself. This is a sunny place, imaginary place, where there is beautiful mountain and then the reflection in the lake. It took about 1 month for me to finish this painting.
Very nice.
हेलो, मेरा नाम कृष्णा पल्लव है। आई एम फ्रॉम नागपुर, महाराष्ट्र। और मैं यहाँ पे आज लास्ट डे है, 2-3 दिन से यहाँ पे अपना आर्ट वर्क प्रेजेंट किए हैं। और मेरा मोस्टली आर्ट वर्क मंडाला आर्ट है और उसमें वैरायटीज़ भी है, जैसे इंडियन कैलेंडर है और उसमें मिनी वर्जन भी है एंड फ्लावर बास्केट फुल हैंडमेड। ओके, देन आई विल कस्टमाइज ऑल्सो। मेरा फुल आर्ट वर्क है और फुल टाइम बिजनेस है।
Hi, my name is Devarupa Dasgupta. So I have done these bookmarks. These are handmade bookmarks with watercolor. My specialty is in acrylic, color pencil and charcoal. So these two are done in acrylic. This one is gouache. This one took me 3 months to complete this painting. This is a famous painting by Vincent van Gogh. The painting name is Starry Nights. It's been 3 days that we are in this program.
ఓకే
ஒரு 27 வருஷமா எனக்கு பிரபு எனக்கு 27 வருஷமா அந்த தஞ்சாவூர் ஓவியத்தை நான் வரைஞ்சிட்டு இருக்கிறேன்.
இதோட ஒர்க்கை பற்றி சொல்லுங்கள். இதோட ஒர்க்கை பற்றி சொல்லுங்கள். எவ்வளோ டேஸ் ஆச்சு, அதோட கஷ்டம் எப்படி பட்டுப்பீங்க அந்த
அப்புறம் வந்து ஒயிட் கோல்ட் ஃபைலு எதுவும் நான் இந்த முடிக்கிறது வந்து 15 days ஆகும். மழை நாள் ஆகும். ஒரு அது ஒரு டைம் 20 days ஆகும். ஃபுல்லாக இன்வெஸ்ட் பண்ணுறேன்.
தேங்க்யூ சார்.
Hello, my name is Shivani. I am Watchbook Painting certified artist. I developed painting. I am also a photographer. I started taking photos of birds, and so that's why interest my developed in the bird photography, and now got me into the painting. And now we are participating in the Kalaspandan Arts Fair. These are my friends, and we are sharing this book. And you can see the like different art forms. This is my favorite painting for white protecting fishes. I have clicked in 4 colors and I painted it in cards of paper black, UAP PGSL, and I have used the acrylic medium, and it took me 4 days to complete it.
This is my first art exhibition. These are acrylics, and this is a charcoal painting. All these are charcoal. This is pencils, and these are small fridge magnets. This is an acrylic painting of Krishna. This is texture art. This is a modern one. And this is charcoal as well. This is watercolors. This is texture. Acrylics. And I do different mediums.
Hi, I'm Saitra Sandhi. So I'm an Indian temple art and traditional art enthusiast. So I work with acrylics, and mostly I work on temple sculptures, and I try to include kolam and fusion traditional arts. So Telugu curator Bapu style, I borrow his style in some of the arts, and fusion. I use a fusion of kolam with it. So you can see multiple arts in that style. Including that. Other than that, I work with, I develop temple sculpture paintings like this.
Hi, this is Mukta Siyar, and I have come here to Hyderabad for the Kalaspandan Art Fair. It's the first time, and I'm coming from Kolkata, and my artwork is basically two artwork styles that I'm working on. One is traditional, that's based on 46 of Kolkata, and you can see it here. And the other one is basically done on a semi-abstract style, which is based on nature and landscape. And it's kind of, the theme is basically through my method of paint. And yes, you can take a look at my artworks, and it's more realistic and contemporary as well. That's all, and I'm enjoying it. Thank you. Please visit.
చాలా బాగున్నాయి ఆర్ట్స్. యాక్చువల్లీ నేను చాలాసార్లు విన్నది ఈ వీడియోలో చాలా షోస్లో చూశాను, కానీ ఇంకా నిజంగా మీట్ అవ్వడం అంటే చాలా హ్యాపీగా ఉంది. ఈ ఆర్ట్స్ అన్ని చూసిన తర్వాత ఇంకా ఎక్సైట్మెంట్గా ఉంది, ఇంకా కొత్త కొత్తగా నేర్చుకోవాలన్న ఫీలింగ్లో ఉంది. సో ఐఎమ్ లక్కీ టు మీట్ సార్.
So, myself, I'm a speed painter Ravinbar here. So, right now I'm in Hyderabad, cultural center. And today is the last day, I mean, 9th November of this month. So, and in this way, I just create a beautiful baby drawing, the light drawing. You can see all around my wall the acrylic canvas. Here is my this is one of the famous singers of Jimmy Garg from Assamese singers, and recently he died. So on the occasion of his some other I just saw the light painting of his portrait. I feel he's a god of us because everywhere his song, his creation, his melody. So we are searching everywhere. So, and you can see all around my work, paintings and all these things around canvas. Here is my world record. I have already 3 world records. One is 30-minute paintings, 30 paintings at 3 minutes, and at the time hand and legs. I can paint both hand and legs and fingers. And in evening today, my performance is there. So from your channel, I just invited, cordially invited to all the viewers. Please come and visit our night. So thank you so much.
Actually, I'm so lucky to meet this person, a very big artist, big artist. I just wanted to have a photo with him, but I just got the portrait of myself. I'm very happy and I'm feeling lucky, blessed. Thank you so much.
Hi, this is Ms. Sharma. I'm from Hyderabad. This is my all the joy painting. And I'm covering all my paintings. हेलो नमस्ते, मेरा नाम रोजा लिन है, मैं उड़ीसा से हूँ और ये कला स्पंदन का जो एग्जीबिशन है हैदराबाद एडिशन ये फर्स्ट टाइम यहाँ पे है। मैं बहुत सारे एग्जीबिशन में पार्टिसिपेट करती हूँ, गैलरी में भी मेरा डिस्प्ले होता है। तो मेरा लाइक स्पेशल है कि मैं पेंटिंग में टेम्पल सीरीज़ में काम करती हूँ। मैं उड़ीसा जगन्नाथ धाम से हूँ, तो बचपन से ही मुझे मंदिर का स्कल्पचर और मंदिर का जो कारुकार्य होता है तो उसको लेके मैं बहुत इंस्पायर हूँ। तो ये सारा पेंटिंग आप जो देख रहे हैं स्कल्पचर, तो लाइक मैं इसमें ही काम करती हूँ और मुझे एवरी पेंटिंग के पीछे एक स्टोरी है। जितना भी पेंटिंग में बनाई हूँ कोई स्टोरी है उसमें। तो ये वाला पेंटिंग जो है वो केदारनाथ और साउथ इंडियन के बसवन्ना को मैं लेके कुछ दिखाना चाहती हूँ, मेरे देश का और हमारे कल्चर को आगे लेके जाना चाहती हूँ। थैंक यू।
ஒரு ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கிளாஸ் ஆர்ட் எக்ஸிபிஷன் கண்டக்ட் பண்ணியிருக்கிறாங்க. இது வந்து கலாஸ் பேண்டர் அப்படிங்கிற ஒரு ஆர்ட் வியூவர்ஸ், ஒரு ஆர்ட் கம்யூனிட்டி இது அரேஞ்ச் பண்ணியிருக்கிறாங்க. இது ஒரு 100 ஆர்டிஸ்ட்டுக்கு மேலே ஒரு 5000 படைப்புகள் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கிளாஸாக வச்சுருக்காங்க. ஆல் சப்ஜெக்ட், எல்லா சப்ஜெக்டும் வந்து வாட்டர் கலர், அக்ரிலிக் கலர், ஆயில் கலர், கிராஃப்ட் ஒர்க், different types of painting, all regional painting எல்லாத்தையும் ரொம்ப சிறப்பாக அரேஞ்ச் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. இந்த ஸ்டால் வந்து பேக் ஆஃப் தி சிட்டியில் இருக்குது, பஞ்சாரா ஹில்ஸ் அப்படிங்கிற இடத்துல எம்எல்ஏ காலனி பக்கத்தில் இது நடந்துருக்குது. எக்கச்சக்கமான வியூவர்ஸ், இதெல்லாம் ஃப்ரெண்ட்லி ஆஃப் வியூவர்ஸ் ஸோ அண்ட் எல்லாம் வந்து பார்த்து ரசிச்சுட்டு என்ஜாய் பண்ணிட்டு போகிறாங்க. இந்த மாதிரி நிறைய நிகழ்ச்சிகள் இந்தியா ஃபுல்லாக நடந்துட்டு இருக்குது. இது நடக்கிறதும் இல்லாமல் ஆர்டிஸ்ட்டுகளை என்கரேஜ் பண்ணுற வகையில் அந்த பெயிண்டிங்ஸ் எல்லோரும் பர்ச்சேஸ் பண்ணாங்கன்னா அவங்களுக்கு ஒரு பெரிய என்கரேஜ்மெண்ட்டாக இருக்கும். வெரி வெரி இம்பார்ட்டன்ட். ஆனால் இங்கே இருக்கக்கூடிய ஆர்டிஸ்ட்டுங்க அதை எதை பற்றியும் கவலைப்படாமல் அவங்களுடைய பேஷனை ரொம்ப சக்ஸஸ்ஃபுல்லாக மெயின்டைன் பண்ணி கொண்டு போயிட்டு இருக்கிறாங்க. இதெல்லாம் ரொம்ப மனதுக்கு மகிழ்ச்சியாக இருக்குது. அது இஸ் ஒண்டர்ஃபுல் என்ஜாய்மெண்ட். ஒரு நல்ல அற்புதமான அக்கேஷன். ரொம்ப மனதுக்கு இனிமையான நிகழ்ச்சி. இதில் நாங்களும் ஒன் ஆஃப் தி பார்ட்டிசிபெண்ட்டாக கேலரியில் ஒரு பேனல் எடுத்து எங்களுடைய படங்களை டிஸ்பிளே பண்ணியிருக்கோம். மிக சிறப்பாக போயிட்டு நாங்கள் சென்னையிலேருந்து வந்திருக்கோம். மாடல் பிரின்சிபல் அஜிதாஸ் థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్.
నా పేరు శ్రీరం శెట్టి ఆనందం. తెలుగు చెప్పచ్చు. తెలుగు ఓకే. నా పేరు శ్రీరం శెట్టి ఆనందరావు. ఆనందం పేరుతో పిలిచే పేరుతో నేను 2 చిత్రాలు వేశాను. ఇక్కడ కళాస్పందన ఆర్ట్ ఫేర్లో ఆర్ట్ క్లాస్ కూడా నిర్వహిస్తున్నాను. 54 స్టాల్ నెంబర్. దాంట్లో మన పెయింటింగ్స్ పెట్టడం జరిగింది. కొన్ని పెయింటింగ్స్ ఇక్కడ కూడా పెట్టాను. ఇది బుద్ధ స్టోరీ. బుద్ధుడు ఒక 2000 years బ్యాక్ ఆయన బోధిసత్వుడుగా కింగ్ రాజుగా ఉన్నప్పుడు ఉన్న స్టోరీని నేను ఒక చిత్రంగా మలిచి స్కల్ప్చర్ని ఒక చిత్రంగా మలిచి క్రియేట్ చేయడం జరిగింది. ఎంతోమంది విజిటర్స్ నుంచి ఈ పెయింటింగ్స్ని చూసి చాలా మెచ్చుకోవడం జరుగుతుంది. చాలా సంతోషం అనిపిస్తుంది. ఆర్ట్ బుక్స్ కూడా ఈ బుద్ధుడు విదేశ ఆర్ట్ బుక్స్ కూడా ఎంతోమంది కొనుక్కుంటున్నారు. ఇప్పటికి ఒక 80 బుక్స్ హ్యాపీ. పనిగిరి మీద నేను రచించిన 6 నెలలు రీసెర్చ్ చేసి ఈ పుస్తకాన్ని పనిగిరి బుద్ధిస్ట్ సైట్ మీద ఈ బుక్ రచించడం జరిగింది. ఇది ఎందరో ఐఏఎస్ ఐపీఎస్లు ఎంతోమంది ప్రముఖులు మెప్పు పొందడం జరిగింది. ఈ పుస్తకాలు కూడా ఇక్కడ బ్రహ్మాండంగా ఆదరిస్తున్నారు, కొనుక్కుంటున్నారు. ఈ పిల్లల బుక్స్ కూడా ఎంతోమంది ఆదరించి కొనుక్కుంటున్నారు. చాలా సంతోషం అనిపిస్తుంది. ఈ కళాస్పందన ఆర్ట్ ఫేర్ ఇంకా ఈ హైదరాబాద్ పట్టణంలో బ్రహ్మాండంగా ఇంప్రూవ్ కావాలని
I'm from Assam and I'm representing Northeast. जैसे ये जुबिन गार्ग का जो पिक्चर पेंटिंग बनाया है and this also जुबिन गार्ग पेंटिंग पिक्चर. तो मतलब असम का जो 3 चीज़ खास है, जैसे पत्ते हो गए, टी गार्डन, टी लीफ एंड राइनो एंड जुबिन गार्ग. So picture last time she stopped Agar Dalit of Baremonju line, Assamese line, through this painting, and I make the painting.
I have come from Hyderabad and it is my first time that I have come here, and I have got lots of knowledge from the artworks, and I am so happy to be a part of this exhibition. So you can see there are some of my artworks, and I am giving so much good feedbacks here. I am thankful to Hyderabad for giving me the chance here. This is my drawing, and I have taken 4 months to make this, because there are lots of meanings of this drawing. Because you can see there are girls. Once there was a time that we didn't used to respect the girls because we were considered that they are backdated. But nowadays what happening? Girls are too much fast, more than time. That's why they are in the front, the time is behind. So this is the main meaning of that. In the Hindi it calls the Nari Shakti, and in English it's the woman empowerment. This is the thing.
I put up a slur here. These are all my paintings. These are all my oil paintings and watercolor paintings. My building here for 3 days.
ఇది మీకు ఉంటే చెప్తానండి. సో మీరు చూసుకోండి. మినిమం 2000 ఉంది.
Taken a beautiful frame
వెనకాల ఉంటుంది సో వాళ్ళు చాలా పెద్ద ఉంటుంది సో 2000 సో ఎంత ఖాళీ ఉంది
లొకేషన్ పెట్టారంటే
Is it not allowed?
குட் மார்னிங். நான் வந்து சென்னையிலேருந்து வரேன். சென்னையில் நிறைய ஆர்ட் எக்ஸிபிஷன் கண்டக்ட் பண்ணியிருக்கேன். அங்கே ரெஸ்பான்ஸோட எனக்கு என்னமோ இங்கே பெட்டராக தோணுது. ரெஸ்பான்ஸ் இங்கே நல்லாயிருக்கு. இன்னொன்று வந்து சென்னையில் வந்து என்னென்னா நிறையா விசிட்டர்ஸ் வருவாங்க, ரசிப்பாங்க. ஆனால் இங்கே வந்து பையர்ஸ் நிறையா வராங்க. ஸோ அது வந்து ஒரு ரொம்ப நல்ல விஷயம். இன்னொன்று இவங்களும் வந்து ஆர்கனைஸ்டாக கரெக்டாக பண்ணியிருக்காங்க, நல்லா தான் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. அதில் எந்த ஒரு பெரிய இதுவும் இல்லை. இது என்னோடய பெயிண்டிங்ஸ், இதெல்லாம் என்னோடய பெயிண்டிங்ஸு. இது வந்து அப்ஸ்ட்ராக்ட் ஸ்டைலில் கிருஷ்ணா பண்ணியிருந்தேன். இது வந்து லேண்ட்ஸ்கேப், இது ஒரு லேண்ட்ஸ்கேப். இன்னொரு லேண்ட்ஸ்கேப் ஆல்ரெடி சோல்ட் அவுட். இந்த பெயிண்டிங் வந்து நான் பண்ணுறது எப்படின்னா, இது ஆக்சுவலாக வந்து இந்த கவிஞர்கள் வந்து பொய் சேர்த்து போயிட்டுன்றதே வந்து பொய் சொல்லி தான் அந்த கவிதை சொல்லுவாங்க. அது மாதிரி இந்த பிக்சரை பண்ணும்போது எக்ஸ்ட்ரா கொஞ்சம் பியூட்டி சேர்க்கறதுக்காக என்னோடய இமேஜினேஷனை சேர்த்து அந்த லைட்டிங் பண்ணியிருப்பேன். திஸ் இஸ் கம்மிங் ஃப்ரம் த ஹார்ட். அதே மாதிரி ஐ லைக் கலர்ஃபுல் லேண்ட்ஸ்கேப். ஸோ அதை வந்து எஸ்டாப்ளிஷ் பண்ணுறேன். அது வந்து அடுத்தவங்களுக்கு பார்த்து சந்தோஷப்படும்போது அதில் எனக்கு ஒரு சந்தோஷம். இது எனக்கு சேலுன்றதோட அந்த எஸ்டாப்ளிஷ்மெண்ட் ரொம்ப இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட். அதுதான் மெயின். அது எனக்கு நல்லாவே தெரியுது. ஸோ அதில் எனக்கு ஃபுல் சாட்டிஸ்ஃபைட் இங்கே ஒரு எக்ஸிபிஷன் வச்சதில். தேங்க்யூ.
ஓகே, தேங்க்ஸ்.
Hi, this is Tanuja. I am here as a fellow artist, Kalanisa.
Kalanisa Arts. My name is Kavita.
This is the first time being in this exhibition in Hyderabad. This is the first time, I guess, this Kalaspandan Art Fair is being held in Hyderabad. We had a great community and visitors here. We had so much, we received so much love for our paintings, and there are live sessions from speed painter Robin Bar. It was a great experience being here to be a part of this community and getting all this love received for this artwork.
It's a very nice art fair. Here this is our first exhibition, and we got to know about many good artists, our senior artists and different medium artists we have got to know. And here we have taken acrylic. These are all acrylic arts, and this is a stone painting, and this is a resin canvas. So we have framed Ganesha and the best thing is this one is a tiger one. These are my recent art.
Some of them are abstract.
Some of them are abstracts, and people like this very much. Related to the kids. This one is a new form of art. Yes. Yeah, we are very happy with this exhibition. And
this Babu
is a
Rama Pattabhishekam. We all know this Babu, renowned art style illustrator, director. This is Rama Pattabhishekam, which is this art style.
Many colors
This
are
is
used.
this is oil painting. This was a concept painting, and this is also like a concept painting. The name is.
These are all our landscapes. We are very much interested in the landscape. Yeah, we are very happy with the exhibition, and we got to know many new artists. We have evolved with this exhibition. Thank you.
Thank you so much for visiting and showing love.
Kalaspandan light demo of watercolor florals. by famous watercolor artist Anuradha Janardhanan is going on. So we like
Yeah, I understand. That's why మేము కళాస్పందన ఆర్ట్ ఫేర్ దగ్గర ఉన్నాము. ఇక్కడ వాటర్ కలర్ వర్క్షాప్ జరుగుతుంది. అనురాధ గోవర్ధనన్ మ్యామ్ తోటి మైట్స్ ఆపర్చునిటీ టు లెర్న్ ఫర్ లెర్నర్స్ అండ్ ఏమైనా కొత్త కొత్త నేర్చుకోవడానికి ఇట్స్ వెరీ గుడ్ ఆపర్చునిటీ.
very nice and this and that one we are planning to take because if you see that
4 photo I have taken. 4 photo I already took.
the Nandi and everything is so beautiful, the colorful and the contrast, the color is very contrast to our background. English Jibanochi.
So it's life in the painting, starting from the Kedarnath, now it's towards the south of Kathakali. It captures all the cultures of India. So thanks to Zleen for putting up the stall and had a very great time. It's hard work has gone through it, so really appreciate the effort.
And the painting, the story behind all the painting, so we really loved it. And also we are buying this one, the small one.
Also we gave order for this one and this one. I'm getting speechless looking at the painting, so.
Hi, these are my artworks. I will do dot mandala and Resi and Nippon artwork. I'm self-taught artist. I'm a certified teacher also. ఇక్కడ చాలా ఆర్ట్వర్క్స్ పెయింటింగ్స్ చాలా ఎగ్జిబిట్ చేశారు. చాలా బాగుంది, చాలా హ్యాపీగా అనిపిస్తుంది. నాకు ఆల్రెడీ చాలా వరకు సేల్ అయ్యాయి.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम। अक्सर हैदराबाद में आप लोग क्लोथ्स एग्जीबिशन देखे होंगे या फिर फूड फेस्टिवल्स देखे होंगे, मगर ये बार आर्ट लवर्स के लिए आ गया है आर्ट्स एग्जीबिशन। इंडियन आर्ट प्रमोटर लेके आए हैं अपना हैदराबादी एडिशन ऑफ कला स्पंदन आर्ट फेयर, जहां पे इनॉग्रेशन हो चुका है 7 नवंबर को दोपहर 2 बजे बाय साउथ इंडियन एक्ट्रेस बृंदा राजेश्वरी, एमिनेंट आर्टिस्ट डीवाई गिरी और सेलिब्रिटी आर्टिस्ट रामजी शर्मा। यहाँ पर आपको हर टाइप का आर्ट मिलने वाला है, फिगरेटिव से लेके एब्स्ट्रैक्ट तक, एक्रिलिक, ऑयल, वाटर कलर, मिक्स मीडिया पेंटिंग्स, फोटोग्राफी, टेक्सटाइल आर्ट, ग्लास आर्ट, मंडला, मधुबनी, ट्रेडिशनल और डेकोरेटिव आर्ट्स तक सब कुछ। 100 से ज्यादा आर्टिस्ट अपने 2000 आर्टवर्क्स के साथ हाजिर होंगे। इंडिया के कोने कोने से आए हुए टैलेंटेड लोगों के क्रिएशंस एक ही जगह पे। चाहे आप एक नए आर्ट कलेक्टर हो या पुराने कलेक्टर, हर किसी के टेस्ट और बजट का आर्ट यहाँ पर मिलने वाला है। कहाँ पर बोले तो कलिंगा कल्चरल सेंटर, MLA कॉलोनी, लेन नंबर 12, बंजारा हिल्स पर। टाइमिंग्स है 11 AM से लेके 9 AM।